Hello everyone. Today we're going to make the easiest and the prettiest dessert. You need just few ingredients to make this simple dessert. First up, we're going to take full cream milk. We've taken 1 cup of full cream milk here and we're going to whisk it till it heats up. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now we've taken 2 teaspoons of corn flour in a separate mug and we've added this hot milk to make a lump-free paste. You can keep this aside. We have diluted 2 teaspoons of coffee in water. We've mixed it well and now we're adding this into the hot milk. Mix it well. We're adding a pinch of salt. Continuously stir the milk so that there is no lump. Now we're going to take that corn flour paste that we had made earlier and we're going to put that in the hot milk. Now once you add this corn flour paste, make sure that you continuously stir the milk, otherwise there would be lumps and we want a lump-free paste. इसको अच्छे से stir करना है until the milk comes to a boil, and you would see that the milk is also thickening. We've made a very smooth and a lump-free paste, just the way we want. As you can see the consistency of the paste that we've made. Now once this mixture cools down a little, add your favorite chocolate bar. You can take any dark or milk chocolate. That's your preference. Now we're going to stir this until the chocolate completely melts. We have turned off the flame and now we are just melting the chocolate. Once the chocolate melts, your chocolate paste is completely ready. The color looks beautiful and very chocolatey. And look at the consistency. It's thick, it's lump-free and it's very smooth. And now it's time to prep our dessert. So for this you can take any glass or any cup that you have and you can layer crushed Oreos or any biscuit of your preference and add a layer of this chocolate paste. So it's completely up to you how you want this dessert to be. We love Oreo, so we've taken Oreo here. अगर किसी को ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं पसंद, so you can take any other biscuit also. Like here we've taken Marigold, we've crushed it, and now we're going to add a layer of chocolate paste. So what happens is the chocolate paste is very sweet, and the Marigold is not that sweet, so it balances out. And it's perfect for those people who do not like their desserts to be too sweet. So you can just play around with the dessert that you want. You can use any other biscuit of your preference. You can use any other toppings also. So it's completely up to you. And that's it. Your simple desserts are ready. All you have to do is freeze this for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Look how beautiful they look. Easy, simple and delicious. Subscribe to our channel for more such simple recipes. Happy cooking!